So, all of you, I hope, had a nice lunch. The punch comes after the lunch with the sweet dish that you have, right? And typical conferences, I was talking to one of my neighbors here in these conferences, the seats gets vacant by 70% post-lunch. That's the objective of coming to a workshop, you know. You get a free 5-star hotel lunch, and then you mellow away. That's how it happens. That's my experience. You may differ, or you may agree with me also. All right. So, jokes apart, is the presentation loaded? And I was going to be talking about this conference. I had to get these numbers. So, health insurance sector. This is the financial year 20 statistics. It's around 516 billion Indian rupees. That's the health insurance that we're talking about. You can note down these numbers, right? And if you talk about the health part of it, it forms 27% approximately. Okay? Now, when it comes to the numbers, after the automobile insurance, the health insurance comes. So we are talking about huge numbers and very, very huge potential. ऑटोमोबाइल में इंश्योरेंस कराना बहुत मजबूरी है. Why? पकड़ा गया, चाचा जी ने पकड़ लिया तो आपको, या आपने किसी को टपका दिया तब भी गड़बड़ है, right? The law makes it mandatory. Right now it is not there as far as the health is concerned, but of course government has come up with the various schemes and all, where people with certain, you know, the income type of it, they can be insured. Let's go to the next slide. Okay, let me. So, where are the numbers? How many people are insured? Talk about a vehicle, almost 100%? No, it's not 100%. Many people go without insurance. When the presence of Chacha ji is not there, talk about a B and C grade towns and all. Who cares about? Who will pay this 3,000-4,000 rupees? Right? It's not 100%, but law mandates is 100%. At least we can expect people in Delhi or some NCR and other metropolitan cities. So 10% is only the people who have been covered as far as the private health insurance is concerned. Look at those numbers, which means what? We are looking at 90% more people can be covered, right? And talk about the people who are insured and talk about the companies who are insuring them, right? So they need to know, right? If the doctor, you know, ask them, आपको ये था, आपको वो था, नहीं जी हमें ये नहीं था, आपको डायबिटीज था, बीपी था, नहीं डायबिटीज की गोली मुंह में रखे हुए हैं, नहीं हमें डायबिटीज नहीं था, ठीक है, चलो ओटी में चलो, right? This happens. Am I talking something truth, or is it like you feel that there is a difference? That's a fact. Frankly speaking, even I have done this in the past. Right? So, yeah. So what happens is, typically, when the person is not revealing his health identity, right? Who is losing? Those insurance companies also, right? The claim persons. Approximately, these are the real life numbers. Approximately 9% of their revenues are insurance companies are losing with the fraud. Right? The people have really not revealed their health issues while they took the insurance. So, when your health insurance was there, you went to the hospital, you got admitted because you had a heart attack or you broke your bones, you need an immediate treatment, then this will go to the TPA, then there will be approval. This person is lying inside the hospital in a single bedroom or a double bedroom or whatever type of thing, and his relatives are always running into the insurance counter of a hospital. Approval aaya kya? How many of you, can you raise your hand when you said approval aaya kya? I've done it so many times. When I was on bed, my relatives were doing it, and when they were on the bed, I was doing it for them. Approval aaya kya? Nahi aaya. कितने का अप्रूवल आया? That is a mystery. 80% हुआ, 90% हुआ, 50% हुआ, we don't know. So many issues. The beneficiaries, insurance companies, hospital, third-party administrators, diagnostics, pharmacies, value-added service providers, government, and many more. Many more people are involved till somebody says, okay, fine, this amount is authorized for you, right? So what happens here? It's a frustrating experience, don't you think so? They say cashless. Is it cashless? It's full of frustration. Let's talk about reality, right? In science, we used to study standard temperature and pressure conditions, STP, right? I'm not talking about sewage treatment plant, right? So, frustrating experience, of course, delays in the hospitals, the costly surgeries are getting delayed, right? Everything is ready, but your insurance approval is not there. So that's a problem. So we talk about this application. Healthcare is something which is absolute essential, that we need to have a system in place wherein such kind of things happen at a blazing speeds. Today, if you go and buy the SIM card, nothing. You just put your Anguta and it gets authenticated against the Aadhaar, right? Done. You can take the connection, right? So we go to the next slide. So then what is the solution? Of course, blockchain. So decentralized distributed ledger, transactions are recorded across multiple nodes. Validation is there is acceptance basically. I'm not going to be talking about details and technology behind this. Although I can talk, I had a separate presentation for this, but that's for a different domain, basically. So very simple, of course. And the important thing, the last one is information once entered cannot be altered or deleted, right? So it's immutable. You just cannot change it, right? I'm not going to be talking about this slide also. This is all English language. But what is actually there is you have the smart contracts executed. Records are accessible to the people who are there. Remember those stakeholders I was talking about? Right? You have this insurance companies, then there are TPAs, then doctors, and then pharmacy companies. Everything can be the information basically can be put up into multiple blocks, right? You get a complete blockchain of the insurance which can be created, and getting an approval is as simple as just a press of a button. That's it. Seconds it will take, not even seconds. It will take, and you have your approvals, and that's the right approval. And the insurance company will also not lose their money because they know that the person who was insured, he had paid higher premium for you because he was a diabetic or he was a BP person earlier, or he was having a tuberculosis earlier. You're getting the point what I'm trying to convey, right? So both the parties, whether the person who is insured and the person who is insuring himself, both of them get benefited here. So then, I just gave a name of a small country. Do you see in the corner? Estonia. It's already there. It's live. I don't think so. I don't think so that this is very far off as far as India is concerned. We are number one in the world when it comes to digital transactions. UPI, BHIM, right? All those things. Now this Paytm, etc. We are there. It's just the government initiative. And I'm telling you guys, this can happen in just few months. Not a big deal. We have skill. We have the best programmers. The best part is that I see that there is a certain amount of willingness also that yes, get it done. Aadhaar thing was not that easy. We are leading in the world. We are better than US, UK and Israel. What are we talking about? They are looking into us. And this is a fact. So we have a lot of Pradhan Mantri, Ayushman Bharat, a lot of government projects, right? Now imagine, I mean, I should not say this, but I know a private hospital owner, falsification of surgery data has been sent to the government for getting the claims. Who is losing? Government is losing. How much it is losing? You can't imagine, right? 2 lakh milta hai, 3 lakh, I don't know the exact number. Utna to milta hai, right? They have the moles who are not getting operated, and government is yet reimbursing those private hospitals and making money. That's a making money opportunity which is there. Of course, genuine people are getting benefited, but what about the fraudsters who are siphoning off the government money, right? अभी देखा हूं ना, आधार से 40,000 फर्जी शिक्षक पकड़ के, 60,000 people who are not even teachers getting a teacher's allowance. They've been caught because Aadhaar was there. Imagine the kind of money the government would save with this blockchain. Think of it. I'm talking about Indian scenario. Let's not talk about US, UK and Japan. Let's talk about Indian scenario, right? So all the social insurance schemes by the government of India can be integrated, right? Government has done a fantastic work. What I've written is direct account transfer. You know, the money is directly accounted for and be transferred directly to the bank account by the needy, right? You see this Modi or Yogi or anybody else or some other minister pressing a button and hundreds of crores of rupees transaction happen. How much time it takes? Not even seconds. And 20,000 crore goes to the bank account, right? Is that simple? Yeah. We have technology. What is blockchain? It's just there. We can do it. It's just the essence. I'm very much sure we are talking about 2021 here. I mean, lot many years I used to take workshops on internet. Yeah, I'm one of the first fortunate. I was fortunate to be basically one of the first time internet users. Today, घर पे बत्ती आए ना आए, कुछ खाना मिले ना मिले, अगर व्हाट्सएप नहीं चलेगा, फेसबुक नहीं चलेगा, तो कई लोगों को तो मोशन में नहीं होगा. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I'm talking about the facts. Sorry, I'm not into that category. So last one is that that they have done fantastic work government has done, and COVID, right? Everyone is including me. We have been wearing a face diaper, the mask, right? That we have been wearing, and COVID has taught us lesson. Nothing is more important, guys. Nothing is more important. आपका BMW, Audi वहीं का रह जाएगा, आपके 4 फ्लैट और आपका फार्म हाउस वहीं के वहीं पड़ा रह जाएगा. Every second counts towards a good health, and therefore every second can make a difference between the life and death. So here is a blockchain technology, right, which is there to help you out. Is that we, all of us sitting in this workshop or the conference, need to be ambassadors for it. Technology never drives by itself. It is a business which drives the technology, and blockchain is one technology which has got huge potential in many of the verticals that we can possibly imagine. Health is one of them. Thank you very much. Bye.